In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your own universal remote control made for 6 different devices. I will follow the exact guide that on their website is telling us to do. I'll put a screenshot from the website. So number 1, we need to remove the batteries. Then we need to press one button, any button, it's not important. I'll press the OK button here, just need to keep it pressed 2 seconds. Then release. Now it's time to put back the batteries. And you need to press the number 2 and the number 8 both at the same time for 6 seconds until the LED blinks twice. So let's do it, 2 and 8. I'm pressing them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, then I can remove my fingers. And then you need to enter the code 981. 981. And the remote control should be factory resetted at this point. If my video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.